Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix notification not working on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all drag down your control center and you have to make sure that the do not disturb mode is not enabled. If it is enabled, then disable it and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open settings, scroll down and tap on notification, scroll down and select the app which you are having trouble, and after that tap make sure that the allow notification is turned on. If it is turned off, then simply turn it on and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then tap on journal, tap on software update and make sure that there is not update. If there is any update, then simply update it, and after that go back, scroll down and then tap on shutdown and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If still your problem is not fixed, then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset to all settings for one time. So guys, after resetting your setting, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.